Good morning, guys. As I said, we are back here in 215 Homestead, so we gonna do the routine today. There's no class for the girls because it's time for them to get their first quarter card, so they get the meeting. At saling over here, my mom is parang napansin ko you cut your hair. Did you cut your hair? Why? Because you're mad? That's why you cut your hair?
Okay, wag magsakay ko yung motor, sige nakagunot-gunot.
And then you should like comb your hair when you go ride the motorbike. Look at that one there. You're so kulikot.
Sikulot tudog utod.
Who cut your hair?
Sikulot.
Samantha?
Ah.
Ben? Why did you let her cut your hair? Jeez, you tanda mo. Oh, you look like terrible. I gotta bring you to the shop so they can cut it properly. So I'm just cooking breakfast. I am back to using this one again for a couple days. I don't use anything. I don't cook anything for like kind of 7 days. But now I am back cooking here again like this. And that is a fish. I make paksiw. Adobo. It's adobo fish. Of course, they are just waiting for me to feed them also. Rocky boy, how are you today? Bachoy boy, how are you today? We are going to get him a medicine for tick. Because it's been like a year. Every year they are like taking medicine for a tick, so they don't have any tick so far. So later on, we were going to visit the garden. And how's my garden going on? I think they're dying already. I don't know. Okay, they're gonna go to school. Look at Kyuki. She's just gonna go to school. I think I need to buy a lot of So, grabe oh. Kanina yan, Kap. Parang akin yan.
Kang uyak eh.
That's uyak?
Oo.
Oh, you look good on that one, huh? That's nice. Look at her. We gotta see her, gonna ask them like, I need to ask about their card later on. So that's what. Oh my, that's a good thing. You gotta put your trash on your bag and then you throw that. Exactly. See, that's how you're supposed to be raised. You're going to respect your country. As I said, I do like Philippines. Like Philippines is the best. However, it also bodes with people in the Philippines. Like, why is that everywhere you go? Like, yesterday, we just, like, where we traveling, it's like, I see them, they're just drinking and then through the trash. It's like, it's just so sad. Because we've been well known from that. It's just so trashy. And you can't fix it. You can't fix stupid, honestly. So, anyway. There you go, and Lainey also. You're gonna check Ling Ling also's card. You're gonna take pictures because I wanna see. Kyuki, why did you cut her hair?
Si Jen naglaho sa ako.
She told you so?
Oo, tatang, pero ano? Kung naglaho
Gosh, you look like 80 years old.
Gawin titang?
Yes. You need to go like somewhere where you can cut your hair properly. So they gotta go to school, and let's see what they can what card, whose card has the best one to see when they come home. Oh my gosh, we just came from the paan. The rain caught us. Oh, look at me, I'm so wet, very wet. The thing is very weird because in the pa, it's kind of rainy, and then in the middle is like heavy rain. When we come from here, it's not like it's mild. It's not that like hard, and it's perfectly like okay to travel. When I don't know. It's just I'm just so wet. So right now we are going to check my garden soon. You know, I like this one here. Kind of the white one. I do like this one here. This one also is kind of unique too. But I said like you're gonna have a lot of pot on this one because we like put that all together so they have one shot. This one also, I like the of this one here. The other one down there, I don't know what's wrong with that. But we're gonna check that one down there too. Look at this. This is what they always, there's, oops, that's not good, okay? Be a good boy. Oh, hello, love. Are you okay now? You're just done your Lego, I know, right? You're clean for one day. Tomorrow you're gonna go stink again. So, you see the weather is weird. It goes down, rain, and then my mom is become crazy. It comes to laundry because at one point, 30 minutes, 20 minutes, or 1 hour, it's like this. See this? How beautiful. And then just like blink on your eye, it's gonna get raining. Like there's certain area, like it's gonna be dark, and then sooner or later. And this is the sad part over here, because this one here was actually doing pretty good, but eventually, as you can see in the bottom, they are all like red, yellowish, because this is just what happened when you get a water over here. And I know my mom told me this one produce already like a vegetables, but you can see this one here, they already has a yellow one. That is the vegetables. But I don't see any. She said there's one, but I don't see where. Oh my gulay, where the heck it is? She said just one. But I don't see any of this one here. No clue. But they're producing flowers, like the flowers produce over there. That means they're going to have, yeah, look at that. That is, no! I know, right? And then here, this part over here, it's pretty, like they're doing pretty good too. That is, and this one here, that one down there, you see this one here, they're started to getting like a flowers also. They're very small, but they're started to getting flowers. Now the okra here is some them, because you know water can kill them also. Oh, too much water can kill this also here. The corn is getting also, it's getting bigger, but I don't think it make it, because as I said, water can also drain the vegetables and can also damage. So we go to the other side over here, which is to still produce eggplant. You can see later on I'm going to harvest eggplant also. We have like eggplant, couple eggplant where we're going to harvest, but they goes to their time that it's time for them to say to end their service like this. So this one here, this is the only eggplant I like. So we are planning to make maybe probably like 3 pieces of this one. Yes, why 3 pieces of this one, so we can like get seeds on this, because I like this eggplant than this eggplant here. The lemon is getting big, look at this, but it's sad that we're gonna replant this somewhere. Flowers also is getting big, see, they're bigger. And of course this one also is getting bigger. This one also, this one here, we're gonna get like as I said, we are going, that is my lemongrass. This kind of eggplant I'm not really impressed, because they don't really produce a lot of vegetables, and once like you always harvest like probably 3 times and that's already done. And this one here, okra, is still producing okra. Everywhere is okra over here. So this one here, they don't do pretty good also, because once the raining and like too much rain every day, it can also kill these vegetables over. Except this one here, seems like they're much more, they're pretty, doing like a lot of flowers now. Maybe that is a vegetables that they're going to, they're going to Produce? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see. And of course, this one here. Nobody really wants to know this one here. For some reason, this is very better. But we're gonna get like seeds on this one. Oh, don't no, through that smells. And the sugar cane over here also is getting bigger. And look at this. My chili. I do like this one here because they produce a lot of chili actually. And then they never stop like producing chili. That is my better no, ginger down there. That's the ginger. And the guava, I don't know if they already harvested that one because last time we left, they have already harvested. This one here is also the okra. This is the flowers. And this is the bougainvilleas over here. They finally has flowers, as you can see now. Now, I don't know because I told to my mom we're going to dig this one up and then replant somewhere else. And of course this one here also is a chili. They have a different chili down here. Different one. There's a lot of that. That's a small one and that is very spicy. Orchids still kicking. And we are going to go to the other one. Look at this. See that? That is a banana. They take the blossom out, the end. So she can also actually like cook this one here. We have plenty of malunggay. That's the one here. It's a lot of malunggay. So no need to worry. But comes to malunggay, but they get 3, but 1 and 2. I don't know where the others is, but that is another sugar cane. Another sugar cane. I don't know. Down here where the pineapple. You gotta clean that up down there too, cause you need to clean this up over here. The pineapple, they got like 1, 2, 3 pineapple. I'm planning to put like pineapple more. Yeah, they put like a lemon down there too. So this is the root crops over here. They're pretty good. I mean, like they're doing pretty good. Everything seems like on the on this one, but later on, if luckily there is no rain, I am going to clean this part over here because I'm gonna transfer. I will transfer the eggplant over this one here. These kids will always follow you wherever you go. And this one here, that is cassava over here. I don't know. Oh no, that's no. Yeah, that's cassava down there. And that is the gabi over there. We don't from this one here to the other side, and then we are planting like this one here. I think that's only like that one, because farther they have like there always water over there. So my mom doesn't like to plant anything or more already. As I said, I should not plant that plant down there because it won't gonna turn good once the rainy season, since we already have it. So I think after this one, all the vegetables down that I have down there, after that one will be dead. Oh my god, what's wrong with you? After like probably 2 more harvests to go, we are going to I am going to say finish to all of that, and then we're gonna wait for another. Oh my gulay, are you okay? Huh? Oh, gonna wait for another next year again. Gonna wait for another like start to be a season, raining, start to be like a summer. Then that's how I'm going to replant again over her. So that's about it. That is an update over here at 215 Homestead. And by then, tomorrow is another day, and tomorrow is probably, I don't know yet, probably, I don't know, we have a lot of things to do over here. Every time I come here, the first thing I'm gonna see, or the first thing I was thinking, where should I start cleaning the area? We're starting to see over here first, then I go here. I was planning to put like a stone down. I don't have any clue yet.